Hi folks, it's Sean McCormick, welcome to the channel, and we're going to have a very quick look at fixing feet in Photoshop. So this is a very quick tip because it's something I'm working on right now. So as I'm doing it, I thought, well, just why not do this as a little tutorial. So I have feet. These are the feet in the shot, and we can see that they're kind of much more orange than the skin around it. Now, yes, there is loads of redness in the skin as well, which I will have to get rid of. And it's actually using the technique that I would use for redness that I'm going to use here, but I'm going to use it to tone or hone in on this color here to make it kind of less orange compared to this kind of very white pale skin that we have here. Yes, my model does have clothes on. This image will be published at some stage soon, but I'm just going to show you what the edit looks like on this section of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my adjustment layers and I'm going to choose hue saturation, and I'm going to jump down to the reds just because it's close enough. The yellows probably would do as well, but I'm going to grab this eyedropper and just click on somewhere in the middle of the tones there, and that will select those. So I selected the general area. I can use the minus eyedropper to select colours that I don't want there, and it'll narrow it down a little bit. So now I'm going to pull the hue the whole way down, so this allows me to see the areas that are being affected by this colour, but I only want it to be these areas directly here. So if I want it, I can click on some of these other areas here. Okay, that's too much, so I'm just going to drag this out a little bit there. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to mask it anyway. So yeah, so that's kind of the areas I want to select. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up a little bit, and okay, so that looks like more like a skin kind of tone. Then I'm going to bring up the lightness a lot, and the idea with bringing up the lightness is that it's matching it here. So because there's less of a tonal jump, a variation between them, it means they're less distracting, basically is what it boils down to. And even changing the saturation will help as well to make the colours a little bit more similar. Now we could drag in here and tighten it up if we wanted as well. But what we're just going to do is we're actually just going to invert the actual mask itself, B for brush, and then we're just literally going to paint on where we want the changes. It helps if we're using a white brush, so click X to get the white brush, and so we just paint it exactly where we want that to be. Okay, and now we can turn it on and off and have a look, and so that has helped with the tonal colour of our feet. So folks, hopefully you found that tip useful. As usual, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for taking time to watch this. See you in the next one.